Hello, today we are making slime out of glue and laundry detergent. First, add the glue.
Okay. You have to add the whole entire bottle too.
Add the whole bottle.
We might laugh a lot because, it just happens.
Okay, let's just do this. Let's try to help.
That should be good.
Okay.
Next, we add the laundry detergent. And when you add the laundry detergent, add a little at a time. And then mix it.
Good.
Mix it, and then once you're done mixing it, if it's not gooey enough, add more. Starting to get gooey.
And after this, you might want to wash your hands.
Mix it very well.
Okay.
And then when you're done, squish it together to knead it. It helps if you pick it up and smush it around, like they are in the video. As you can see, it is turning into slime. If it's not gooey enough, add a little bit more glue and laundry detergent.
Guessing not. We have no glue.
So you don't need to add more glue, just more laundry detergent.
Okay.
You have to smush it up a lot.
As you can see, it's turning into slime more. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
That is how you make your homemade slime.